everyone, it's Mr. Salimata over here, and in today's lesson we'll be looking at converting mixed numbers to improper fractions. Yes, now what is a mixed number? Yeah, a mixed number is made up of a whole number and a proper fraction. Yes, so then I'm sure we are asking ourselves, why then do we have to convert mixed numbers to improper fractions? Well, the reason why we convert mixed numbers to improper fraction is because it makes operations of addition, subtraction, division, multiplication easier. All right, so now let's dive into it and convert these mixed numbers into improper fractions. Now, how do we then convert these mixed numbers? The first thing that we have to do, so the first thing that we have to do is we have to multiply the denominator over here with a whole number. Yes, so that's the first thing. Yes, so our denominator is 7 multiplied by our whole number is 2. What does that give us? 7 multiplied by 2 is 14. Yes, our next step, yes, step number 2 would be now adding this number 14 over here to the numerator. Okay, yes, you add this 14 over here to the numerator, and our numerator is 2, so plus 2. Yes, so 14 plus 2 is what? Is 16. Okay, and then you just have to keep the denominator. So therefore, yes, therefore our final answer would be what? Would be this 16 over here over 7. So there we go. We have converted this mixed number into an improper fraction. Okay, so now let's go with our second question over here. Yeah, okay, so we have, allow me to write it again. So we have 5 3 over 4. Yes, okay, I'll do it in a different way. It's a similar way. Yes, so remember I said the first thing that you have to do is what? Multiply. Yes, multiply the whole number and the denominator, right? So 4 multiplied by 5 is what? Is 20. Okay, then the second part is what? You add, yes, you add this 20 over here with what? With the numerator. So 20 plus 3 gives us what? Gives us 23. Yes, therefore the final answer would be what? Would be 23 as our numerator over the 4 over here. Yes, the denominator, you just have to what? To keep it. Okay, okay, now we're done with that, with question number 2, right? So now let us deal with question number 3. Okay, so here we go. What is the first thing that we have to do? I'll write the whole mixed number here again. The first thing that we're doing is what? We are multiplying the denominator and the whole number, right? So 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. Our second part is we're adding this 15, the numerator, right? So 15 plus 2 is 17. So therefore, yes, our improper fraction will be 17 over, you keep your denominator, 5. Yeah, okay, so now let's deal with our last question over here. Yes, let us write it. Yes, 6 2 over 3. Yes, now remember, what are we doing? We are multiplying the whole number and the denominator. Yes, 6 multiplied by 3, that's 18, and then we're adding this 18, the numerator, right? We're adding, yeah, so that's 18 plus 2 is 20. So therefore, our improper fraction will be what? Will be 20 over, we are keeping our denominator over here, 3. So there we go. We have what? We have converted all these mixed numbers to improper fractions.